You ready for some questions?
Let's do it.
We have lots of questions to get through. Someone said, I'm not a medical professional. What kind of advice can you give? That's a pretty broad question. What treatments can make you a good amount of money that don't require a medical director? Like, start with those.
If somebody's not a medical professional and they're either working for somebody else or going to start their own business in the world of non-medical things, medical meaning like injections or, doctor-like things, the gamut is all types of aesthetic technologies, from hair removal to skin rejuvenation to tattoo removal to body contouring to microneedling to you name the technology. And then there's lighter things. Some people get into facials and peels and microderm and things like that. And then there's some people that go really broad and wide in the aesthetic world, and they do like aesthetic services. They go, when I say aesthetic, maybe they do microblading or permanent makeup or eyelash extension, like true, things you might get at a day spa or a hotel, facials, things like that. So for somebody who's a non-medical professional, that's usually the road they take, whether they work for somebody else, Erica, or they have their own gig,